Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video tutorial for you guys that are preparing to take the AP exam. It's a time of a little bit of uncertainty and confusion. So just in case you had any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. So what I'm going to do is you should have all received an email from College Board, but just in case, I'm going to go ahead and show you. So if you just do a search for AP College Board. And you don't even have to log in with your login information to access this information. So if you just go to this, it says apstudents.collegeboard.org. I'll put a link in the description box below. So you go ahead and click on that. And then I just wanted to go over the main differences. So here's a place where you can actually sign in if you know your sign in. But right here is where I'm getting this information from. So COVID 19 info. So go ahead and click on that. So basically the exams are not canceled, but they are going to be a different format, different setup for now. And also AP, the College Board is going to be providing some free courses. They have a YouTube channel, and so they'll be posting things starting this next Wednesday, March 25th. And so as that information becomes available, you'll be able to find it here. So I'm just going to kind of go through this with you quickly. So taking the exam, it's going to be a 45-minute exam. It will be based online, and you'll be able to take it with any device that you have, so iPad, phone, computer. And you don't need to be worried about receiving credit for the class. They're going to make sure that you receive credit. There's been emergencies apparently before where colleges have they've still accepted the credit, so don't be worried about that. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that if you do need internet or a device, you want to click on this blue link that says reach us directly. So this is the page that you'll get to if you do need to request assistance, whether it's for Wi-Fi or for a device. So you need to go ahead and fill that out. So again, starting on Wednesday, March 25th, you can attend free live AP review courses, and these will be videos given by AP teachers from across the country. These courses obviously are optional. You can watch them on your phone or on a computer. They'll be available on demand as well, so you don't have to watch them live, but you can always come back and access them after. So another thing is that basically College Board is taking the 3/4 of the school year, so 75% of the material is going to be covered on the test. So there's 25% of the material that will not be on the exam, you will not be responsible for. So these are the schedules below. So for example, if you are in AP Human Geography, these are when the lesson topics are going to come out. For AP Calculus AB, this is when your topics are going to come out. And then Spanish Literature, the one I'm teaching, is going to be again the 25th, 26th, and 27th, and here. And notice that this is Eastern time, so depending on where you live, that will affect the time a little bit. But remember that you can go back and access it after. So I hope that this was helpful. There's also going to be 2 different exam dates that you can choose from. You can either choose to do it a little bit earlier, or you can wait, and that's going to be up to you. That information should be coming out shortly, so make sure that you're checking your email, logging into your College Board account. And so just to summarize, we are still scheduled for the AP test. They will be 45-minute FRQ based questions. So it is my understanding that there won't be any like multiple choice questions. It'll just be FRQ. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck on your AP exams.